years ago, I had a colleague of mine tell me that she was diagnosed with breast cancer. And in telling all of us who worked with her about her experience, she said one of the first things that her doctor told her was to get rid of all the chemicals in her medicine cabinet, and in particular, her deodorant. So immediately I started analyzing, well, what about the deodorant I use? I wonder if that's harming me. And she was telling me things like the doctor told her, if you just shave, don't immediately put the deodorant in, especially if you're using something that's, has lots of chemicals in it. So I started thinking about that myself. I went to Whole Foods, I went to organic vitamin shops and farmers markets and tried to grab some various deodorants. They all looked interesting, they smelled good initially, but none of them really worked. So I was really, thrilled when a friend of mine told me about Beach Organics organic deodorant, and I figured, what's one more? I'll give it a whirl. It may or may not work, but I'm willing to try and keep figuring out if I can find something that does work. So I got the patchouli one from her, and it's actually really great. I work in sales in New York City, so I'm constantly in and out of the car and going to talk to clients, having odd conversations, having difficult conversations. So I was pleasantly surprised when it kept me dry all day, and I came home from work smelling good and could go work out and continue on my evening and not have to reapply anything. So thanks a lot, Beach Organics.